Alright, this video is on how to change a faucet aerator. And that's the little part right here. Now, you're going to need a pair of channel locks. This thing was spitting out chunks of black stuff, and the water flow was very, very slow. So what we got to do is we got to get that thing out of there. So we're going to go ahead and loosen it. And it goes this way to loosen it, which is a little bit different. And then I'm just going to unscrew it. It's going to come out. Bam, there it is. Now this one, you see that there? That makes the water break all apart. It aerates it. And those are packed with all kinds of junk. So I've gotten this off. All we got to do to replace it is we got to go to Home Depot, and you can buy just the interior part, which is this right here, or you can buy the whole head. And I bought the whole head, and we're going to go ahead and just put one of those on there. So I'm going to open up the package right now. All right, so let's look at the difference on these. This one's this way, and this one's here. So this one here is kind of broke up too. Kind of fell apart on me. So I don't really want to use it again. And this is also, it's degrading. So it's better just to go ahead and replace the whole thing than try to fix it. So that's a hair clip. You don't need that. All right, so to put this on, all we're going to do is we're just going to come over here. And a regular one, basically, it's 15/16, and we just screw it right in. There we go. And I wouldn't even tighten it down with the channel locks. I just use my hand. And let's just turn the water on and see if it works. Wow, now we've got a nice flow of water. 10 times better. And that's how you do it. The one that I put in there is 15/16. It's a dual thread, and it gives you the thread, and it gives you the name of it. And this is Spring-flo Ultra, and it's a product of Neo Pearl. So it works pretty good. And it even gives you directions if you can't figure it out from the video.